Hey there, this needs Beardfoot, and today we are making a leather drinking bottle. As all of my patterns, you can get this one in my shop. Print it, cut it, tape it together and cut it out in detail. Transfer it on the leather. Here I use 2.5mm or 6-ounce veg tanned leather. I trace the edge with a awl and cut it out in detail. Next I draw a parallel line to the edge for the stitching holes with a wing divider, and all the holes in the middle I mark with an awl. And then you wanna punch those holes. On the flash side you want to mark roughly where you put your glue on both pieces and put on contact cement there, and then glue both pieces together. In advance you want to make sure that both pieces line up together. When it's dry, you want to re-punch all the sewing holes with a sawed awl. You also could use a punch for it, but I like this awl more since the hole on the other side will be a little bit cleaner. Next up is sewing, and you really want to make sure here that the thread is tight. Next you want to remove all the excess leather along the edge with a knife and then sand it down and bevel the edge. Here I get on some dye with a paint gun, but you also could use a sponge or any other technique that you prefer. It's time now to shape the leather, so you want to get the leather really moist, especially from the inside. Put some water in, let it set for a few minutes, then take it out, and you can also a little bit pre-shaping with the hammer handle, and then you want to put in something like rice as much as you can, and then use a handle of the hammer to just put more in it and stretch the leather outwards till you got the maximum shape out. After a few hours you can take out the rice and then let it dry completely. To make the leather completely waterproof you need some beeswax, and I recommend here really high quality since you will drink from that. Heat it up, put it in the bottle, turn it around to make sure all the inside is covered in beeswax, and then put it also on the outside. If you got a lot of beeswax and your pot is big enough, you also can soak it completely in it. Gently remove as much of the beeswax on the outside as you can. And use a regular hairdryer or a heat gun to heat up the other excess wax on the outside and distribute it and remove it with a paper towel. Also with the wax on the edges you can burnish them. As a plug I got some cork from a spice glass and it fit really nicely. You also could use a wooden branch, but here it will be harder to make it seal completely. And that's it already. Pretty simple build, useful. This one has at 100% scale about 1.2 liters, and you can do basically any shape that you like. Also this one. So if you have a friend you would like to give this as a present or do it for yourself, check out my shop. Both patterns are available there. See you next time. Ciao!